So guys, how we can create the setup for Twitter live stream with the pre-recorded video option. So in this Twitter purpose, we have using for two options. One is called, we have to go to Play Store option for live stream purpose. We have to set up by the Periscope option. Which one? Periscope option. This is the first option. Second one is called, when Twitter, based on the media uploading, the enable option name is called Media Studio. All Twitter profile, this is not enabled. Based on your postings, this option will enable by every Twitter profile. But based on your postings, suppose same option, I can using for another option will be here. I'm showing for another Twitter. So I'm using for another Twitter. Here, they can't visible here. By in this still is not enabled by this option. You have take some time to enable this option will be here. The media studio option main purpose to broadcast everything here. So we have to learn about the complete procedure. You can learn and enable by in this option. It will take time to the live broadcast. How it is enabled, that all option will be showing for a particular option. That all will be depend on the media library uploading on the files on the Twitter profile. When it is enabled, we can easily create it in the Twitter live stream pre-recorded video. That already the video was recorded. This video we can showing for Twitter live and the using for option. In this purpose, we have to use option name is called OBS project. This is one kind of software for install. The install will be Windows, Mac and Linux. Everywhere we can support. After install, the showing will be like this. The show will be like this. After that, we have to connecting for Twitter to OBS Studio. The video where we upload, the video will uploaded by the OBS Studio option. So how we can play? The OBS Studio will be play for Twitter profile option. Now in this, here we can library here. In this, we have to go for producer option. In this, click for live, schedule, and there is there. Before this option, you have to create the source file. Source file main purpose, the generating for shift key purpose. The key will be added for the particular stream key, the key added by the particular OBS Studio purpose. Here, the all option will be in this particular here. Select your particular source and type and select your particular option will be here. This is a source file. I'm already create the source file here. Source type, source URL in this every option will be Asian specific time I'm selecting in this option. Now click for done. So here based on the time zones we are selecting always in this here option will be Mumbai for Indian and here option will be in this particular religions. You're selecting for in this and add your DR DM create a source file. In the source file, here RTMP source type, RTMP URL here in this. This is the important stream key. So now click for done. After that, click for broadcast live. Now here live will be start. Create a broadcast. In this, select your brand name here, Digital Rakesh. Here category will be selecting for in this digital creator and stream key selecting source DRDM. Here generating for stream key. Copy this stream key. Just go for here. In this settings, the option name is called stream. Here will be selecting for Twitter and Periscope. I'm already discussed. If his media studio is not activated, how we can enable this Periscope option. After that, Asian specific Singapore. And here what is the option will be given here in this. So here all options are here in the particular in this. So what we're selecting for Singapore in this option. So remove the old one, add new one, click for apply and OK. After that, here first of all, you can create the screen options. Screen nothing but how many screens you have to design and number of screens. Select the screen, DRDM, and media source file, upload, browse file. Where our video file is there, we can select by the video file option. In this is very easy and we can use for the particular option will be here. In this, and copy this. Here will be started will be okay. So now video will be running here. Now the coming this process will be here. Create a web broadcast will be here. Broadcast created. Now in this save, video showing will be here. Now video will be not coming in this option. Why is not coming? I mean live. Why it is not coming? Why it is not coming? I'm not start by the streaming. Now start the stream option. Streaming will be start. Any streaming error, that is nothing but your stream key will be wrong. Here, media could not display. Little time taken should show your broadcast option in this. Twitter, when uploading video, they are supporting 2 minutes 20-second video. But live streaming time, no particular limit will be there. No particular limit. Tweet, posting here. Here is a going on. Tweet. Now go to Twitter. Click for profile. In my profile, I'm into live. I'm into live this option. This will be, we can question mark is there. Is a live correct or wrong? I can open for another browser. Just open it. In my profile, I'm into live on the particular showing to the users. When running time, you can change it for number of videos also using for OBS Studio. Now this video will be finished. Immediately can add by another media files or else select by another media source. Immediately browse files. Which file you can add it here. Add by the files and okay. Second file will be started here in this. So the parallel you can add by the n number of files in the media source. Only connection is more important. Media source to your particular stream key. So now this is called going to live on the particular option. How many people are watching? The showing will be live on the particular Twitter. Which option? That is called more. Option name is called media source. Follow the media source and activate your particular files. Now, how we can end this process? Simple. Edit live chat end. Here will be option will be there. Now click for end. Live chat will be finished. After this one, you have to stop the streaming option. Once create the stream key on the Twitter particular source file does not change. The stream key will be does not change. So here they're going to your particular stream in this. You can open it. Once again tweet, the stream key will be started here. So I'm start the stream key. The live will be start once again in this tweet option. Now is ended. Now is showing for live option. Anytime will be stop. Anytime will be start in the particular live stream option. Stop and start both is eligible on the particular one stream key. Once source file will be created, the source file stream key will be does not change. Now tweet. Tweet. Now you can go to refresh. Previous will be another title. Now will I'm using for another title option. So based on request, you can change your particular tweet will be showing to the live option. Now this live I'm creating for with my profile option. So this all option will be given by the live stream. Previous title here and new title option. You can stop and you can start will be on the particular video on the Twitter for live streaming purpose. So this all will be particular live will be running for in the stream option. Here will be in this in the particular Twitter profile. Once again, I will explain. Here I'm stop here. You can understand screen will be created and media source file. It is easy for add the media files. Next, here live will be created before. Any live will be created here in this create a broadcast before you can create the source file. Source file will be name, enter only for specific location. I'm selecting for Mumbai for the Asia specific Mumbai time. I'm selecting here. After that one is generating for stream key option. The stream key where you can place, go to settings, stream, select Twitter and Periscope. Here server area you can select and click for stream key and OK with your option and apply for your video. We can selecting for a number of media source file here place option. In this place option, audio input capture, audio output capture, browser and color source, display capture, game capture, image slideshow. Lot of options are there. Everyone is showing for some games also. They record the video in the games. After you can show in the Facebook live option also will be suitable. This will be happening for not only for Twitter. They will showing for Twitter, Facebook and YouTube also. How to know that? These all option will be here. Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, Facebook and Twitter. We only using for YouTube purpose are Facebook and Twitter, Periscope and Twitch. These are the platform you can use to create the pre-recorded live video on the particular profile and particular page and particular YouTube channel option. But they will show on the YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or live on the particular pre-recorded video. Use it. If you enable by this option, we can use this option will be here. If you not enable this media source on your Twitter, please you have to wait for using for Periscope to connecting Periscope. For the one Periscope will connect only for one Twitter option. Connect it and creating live stream on the particular Twitter profile. Use it. For the any doubts will be required, please ask me in the my YouTube comment. And I'm explaining one more time. Media Studio will enable based on your uploading videos on the Twitter. It enabled by your particular Twitter profile. Everyone. So I'm creating just in 1 month back. I'm not enable Media Studio, not like that. We have to create number of videos and number of posts. They enable this option. In this purpose, we have to using URL for studio.twitter.com. Don't forget it. Media Studio will be click. The show URL will be studio.twitter.com. We can go to URL and apply for the Media Studio option on the particular Twitter profile. So all I'm showing here, I'm using another profile. This profile is not eligible by the Media Studio. I have to create this recently. So if you need purpose, go to library and approval by the email or any purpose. So send for Twitter, they enable by the Media Studio option. Completely dependent by the media for sure uploading on the Twitter profile. Follow instructions, enable Media Studio and creating for Twitter live stream using OBS Studio option.